Hey guys, welcome back to Blair Gibson 304 here. It's been a while since the last video that you guys seen. This will be a teardown rebuilt on the YZ250F. So this is going to be the before, and then we'll show you the after, and after it's all been done. And I want to give a big shout out to MX Store for helping out for half of the parts and stuff for that, and my dad as well. Taking them off. So like Dad said, we'll show you the before and after when this is all done. I've only got about 4 more to go. And we're going to put a new set ready to go for next year. So we're going to have to put some new grips. Then you'll have to wait to see what color they're going to be. They used to be blue, but they're going to be a different color now. So this is thanks for Pro Taper for helping out as well. So like I said, those ones are going to come off and the new set's going to go on. So catch you guys.